Hi. Welcome, friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahira Khan. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning. If you're new here, please feel at home. Feel at home and welcome. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment on the video. Friends, I took time out for the past 3 months, but I'm back now and I'm back with a bang. So welcome everybody and thank you for watching. So today is fish. I got this hake fillet. So I'll be making a quick lunch for my hubby, and I'm gonna double coat it and deep fry. As you will see, it's scrumptious. So I'm gonna run you over the ingredient list. I have 2 flours. One I made using this masala curry powder. You can see all the spices there, little bits of spices, Aromat, masala, and this one, yeah. And I just put it in normal flour with a little bit of Aromat also. Then I have the fish here already washed and dried on a piece of towel. And then I'll just dip it into first the chili white mix. This is also a sort of a flour that you can dip your fish in when you're frying. Then I'll dip it in the egg. I'm dipping it here in the egg, and then I'll double dip it in the flour that I made. Yeah, this is the flour that I spiced up. I'm using all the spices in the background, like the aromat in the masala, curry masala. I'm just making sure that it's coated nicely. It has a nice coat, but not too thick. You can shake it off, yeah, the excess. And then, yeah, voila, it's done. And the last one there to go. So after that, my baby was poking his finger in it, yeah, but this was just for my husband. So after that, I just deep fried it in a non-stick pan with vegetable oil, and yeah, lunch was ready in under 30 minutes. You can add okay, like I said, you could add a side dish like a mashed potato, or maybe like a salad, a fresh salad. But here my husband just opted to have it on its own, so I just put a few pieces for him here with a chutney and some coriander leaves. He likes coriander leaves fresh, yeah. So yeah, that's lunch for your girls, under 30 minutes for your loved ones. And here my potato is just being so grumpy, you guys. My love, how is the taste? Okay, out of 10?
Easy and quick recipe.
Yeah, this is my husband's lunch, you guys. He refuses to eat the fish that I bought outside. I had to make him. It's very picky eater.